How to change aspect ratio on iPhone camera. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change aspect ratio on iPhone camera. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the camera application on your iPhone. You will see the little arrow-like icon on the top center of your screen. Tap on that and you will be able to see various options. Tap on that. Now, the second option from the right, also mentioned as 16:9, is the tab from where you can change your aspect ratio. So, tap on that and then select the aspect ratio of your choice. You can choose ratio of 16:9, 4:3, or square. Select the best suited option for you. So, this is how you can change aspect ratio on iPhone camera. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.